Oh, wait, Tsaris.
Wai, koi achen.
Hatik khast.
Wai, tikken gast kin. Sla whisky tapena. Hakwa sla whisky.
Lot kind sla whisky Knxcutens. Hey, tsikina slag de cowboy.
I slag de cowboy in joch pils ul kiet.
Oh, Amson. Why die gast?
Gast.
Why gas khalkhalti pisnak siluch? Talikin lemt Knxcutens patsiap. Isquis qoyachen. Utlachai Knxcutens and Siluchen Nax. Hello, good day, my relatives. I'm glad to be here and I'm grateful you folks showed up. My name is Levi Bent and this is the N1 tutorial help for our language. Achai isme mai tim. Tzkenash po'os kutzkin. This is lesson 8. How are you? States of being. Let's get right into the lesson, shall we? Ho hoi. Ilucht. Ilucht. Nk'amchen. Nk'amchen. Limt. Limt. Njochpils. Njochpils. Xit. Xit. Tla whiskit. Tla whiskit. Tsako. Tsako. Qayam. Qayam. Ch'ich. Ch'ich. K'it. K'it. Ma'a. Ma'a. Qamqamt. Qamqamt. Khastis chkulam pipia ya tol choi we. Atsent prisplimchen ul kuen chau chint. Ilucht. Ilucht. Nk'amchen. Nk'amchen. Limt. Limt. Njochpils. Njochpils. Xit. Xit. Tla whiskit. Tla whiskit. Tsako. Tsako. Qayam. Qayam. Ch'ich. Ch'ich. K'it. K'it. Ma'ah. Ma'ah. Qamqamt. Qamqamt. Hohoi, why haste shkulampepe ya te pesnaksiluch. We're going over the words with you, dan siluchen, but it's even more important that you put these words in a sentence. So after you get the use of saying these words with me, put them in a sentence and practice each one. You can go like this. Kin ilucht. Kin ilucht. When you say kin, point to yourself, reference to yourself, because kin, you're saying, I am hungry. And when you ask a question, remember the question is ha. Ha nklamchen. Ha nklamchen. Are you thirsty? And you could say yes or no to any of these questions. So if someone asks you, ha limt, the answer could be Lutkenta limt. Kin nyoch pils. I'm not happy, I'm sad. This is how the language goes. With a question comes an answer, and it's always the opposite. Hakwa kikin lutkenta. Keep practicing, don't give up on your language. And I'll see you next time here. Knxcutens and Knxcutens. Why Ninues that Wicklaman ipis naxil, why?